How do I play audio from USB? To play audio from a USB device, start by connecting a compliant USB device. Press the down arrow or more button where equipped, and then select USB device. Touch the play symbol to play the current media stored on the device. From this screen, you can touch pause. Touch back to jump to the beginning of the current or previous track. Touch and hold to advance or reverse quickly through playback, releasing to return to normal playing speed. Elapsed times are displayed for your tracking. To shuffle the order of your playback, simply select the shuffle icon. Within the USB menu, you can browse the media by songs, albums, artists, or other types of media. The up and down arrows and A to Z appear on the left side. Touch the up and down arrows to move the list up and down. By selecting A to Z, you'll be shown all letters of the alphabet. Simply select the letter you would like to go to.